Take this milkshake for a week and deflate your belly, cleanse the colon and remove fat from the belly. That is why it is very important to know the benefits and ways to consume food, to enjoy all its properties. For all this, today we will show you how to prepare a rich shake of papaya and oats, and tell you what benefits it has. This papaya and oatmeal milkshake that we will teach you to prepare has impressive benefits. Among them will help to clean your entire digestive system, thus promoting its proper functioning. This wonderful shake of papaya and oats has many benefits for our health, but mainly helps to deflate the belly, does a colon cleanse and can cause you lose a lot of body weight. This is because its ingredients are highly nutritious and detoxifying. If you start to consume it, you can experience many benefits. Ingredients: 1. Half a cup of gluten-free oats. 2. A papaya, chopped into squares. 3. Half cup water or organic almond milk. 4. A spoonful of cinnamon powder or a tablespoon of vanilla essence gives it a sensational flavor. Its preparation is very simple. You only have to mix the ingredients in the blender and ready. You can sweeten it with a little organic honey, and besides giving it a rich flavor, you can give it all the benefits of bee honey. You can serve it with ice or add it during the blending to make a kind of slush. This milkshake you can consume it at any time, but we recommend you do it in the mornings to start your day with a good food.